Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. Before we start today's lesson, it was brought to my attention that one of the translations in my previous episode was incorrect. So before we actually start the lesson, I want to rectify that mistake. So this clip was actually incorrect.
A fox in TWI is nankwasere. Nankwasere.
A fox in TWI is actually sakramine, not nankwasere. I actually thought it was nankwasere all this while. Then because of this person that actually pointed out my error, I actually went, found out, investigated, and found out yes, it is true. It's actually sakramine. So in TWI, a fox is sakramine. And I guess most of you be wondering what nankwasere is. Nankwasere in English is actually flying fox. It's actually a form of a bat. It's actually well known as one of the largest fruit-eating bats in the world, right? So I think that's where I got it wrong. But I thank the person again for actually pointing it out that, as I repeat, a fox is actually sakramine, not nankwasere. And if one wants to know what a bat in TWI is actually apang. So with that out of the way, let's start today's lesson. As you know, my name is Chrissy, and welcome to Learning TWI the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. Today's lesson is about numbers. I was asked to do numbers from 1 to 20. So 1 is Baako, 2 is Mmienu, 3 is Mmiɛnsa, 4 is either Ɛnan or 9, 5 is either Enum or Num, 6 is Ensia or nsia, 7 is either Enson or son, 8 is Nwɔtwe, 9 is either Enkoron or nkron, 10 is Edu, 11, unlike English where 10 and the number 1 do not have any relationship. Literally, when you speak it out, when you voice it out, in TWI, it actually does. So in TWI, 11 is Dubaako. Du is 10, Baako is 1. So if you translate it, it's basically saying 10 and 1. So 11 in TWI is Dubaako. 12 is Dummienu. 13 is Dummiɛnsa. 14 is Dunan. 15 is Dunum. 16 is Dunsia, 17 is Dunson, 18 is Dunwɔtwe, 19 is Dunkron, but 20 won't be Dudu, which is 10. It's actually Aduonu, which is 20. Aduonu. I know that one should also add 0. I think I didn't put 0 in it, but 0 is actually Ohunu. Ohunu is 0 in TWI. So these are actually the numbers in TWI from 0 to 20. So if you want to say it again, 0 is Ohunu, 1 is Baako, 2 is Mmienu, 3 is Mmiɛnsa, 4 is Ɛnan, 5 is Enum, 6 is nsia, 7 is nson, 8 is Nwɔtwe, 9 is nkron, 10 is Edu, 11 is Dubaako, 12 is Dummienu, 13 is Dummiɛnsa, 14 is Dunan, 15 is Dunum, 16 is Dunsia, 17 is Dunson, 18 is Dunwɔtwe, 19 is Dunkron, then 20 of course is Aduonu. Thanks again. Like I always say, if you like the channel or if you like the content in the channel, please click on the like button, subscribe, and also click on the bell button for future notifications. I see the numbers are going up, so I really appreciate all the new subscribers, and I'll try and push new content as we are on lockdown now. As I usually say now with this whole quarantine, right guys, just be safe, stay indoors, try not to go out if it's unnecessary, only go out when it's truly necessary for food or medical reasons. Then for content that I make mistakes in or something that I actually didn't get right, please, in the comment section, if you feel as if I didn't do something right or I said something wrong, say it in there. What I'll do is my next video, I'll actually correct myself, and in the description section of the previous video, I'll actually put what I did wrong there to rectify myself. But for sure, I'll correct myself in the next video. So thanks again for actually watching. I really appreciate all the support, and let's make the language grow. So from me, Kwesi, till next time, bye.